Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We are out on the deck, but we are not doing a hydro dip today. We are doing a cascading pour with paint. All right, so I got this set of steps, basically 3 little steps. They make perfect display stand, and I'm going to paint them because I think that will make any display more attractive, right? Instead of just dirty old brown. So I've cleaned it up. I spray painted the sides and the back dark green, and I will spray paint the steps before I start pouring. But I wanted to let you know what's happening and before I start doing all this. According to my calculations, using Mixed Media Girls formula of area divided by 16, this is going to require about 28 ounces of paint. Now we're not well, we can tilt it. Obviously it's tilted already. I tilted it a little bit forward because when I pour on the top step, I want a cascading effect down to the bottom. And I got 3 10-ounce bowls that I'm going to layer paint in. That will give us obviously a little bit more than the 28 ounces we should need. By spray painting the steps green right before I start pouring, I'm hoping that will help. Well, obviously there will be full coverage then, but I'm hoping it will also help the paint flow a little and not get stuck in rivulets. So I'm going to layer all these colors, which are very Christmassy. That's what I'm going for. This could be a Christmas display stand. So we have Deco Art Dazzling Metallics in Champagne Gold. We have Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Green, Red, Black, and White. And then there's the red might run out, the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So I've also got the Phthalo Red. So Acrylic Phthalo Red when I run out of regular red. So I am going to layer my 3 cups. I'm going to do 1 cup pour at a time, trying to get coverage on all 3 steps. I have little 2-ounce cups holding up the back legs so that it's tilted forward just a little bit. And when I get to the very end of the last bowl of paint, I will stop and see if I need coverage anywhere and designate what I have left for coverage. So, having said all of that, let's get to work. Now I can't believe I haven't kicked these bowls over yet because that would be so me to do that. This can is almost empty. Like I said, I'm going for coverage. Here we go. Wow, okay. I thought it would go a little faster than that. I may have to tip it up. Well, it seemed like a good idea at the time. Oh, we'll succeed. We'll manage. We can do this. Okay. Oh, God. Yep, see, I just spilled all over the place there. I'm going to go for the second step with this one. Just move things along. And too bad I can't pick that up and put it on here. Alright, we're getting there. probably see it better if I do it this way, huh? Getting there. No! Just edit that out. Gosh, dang it. I am just making a mess. Daggum. All right, I need to tip this back. Looks really pretty. Okay, I need to stop and reassess very carefully with what I have left. Okay. Trying not to step in the puddles I've made here. All you bugs that are kamikazing, not a good idea. All right, that was not an ideal pour. Oh my gosh, what a mess. This is why we put down covers. Okay, okay, we can deal with this. We can. All right, we're almost fully covered here. Oh, lordy lord, okay. Finger painting. I tell you, in spite of everything, we have almost full coverage here. Yay! You know what? I think it actually kind of sort of worked. Wow, I kind of like it. All right, let me get cleaned up. We'll come back and we'll do a close-up. Okay, now that I've cleaned up my hands just a tiny bit, we're going to sprinkle on the glitter now while it's still wet, even though the paint's going to keep moving for a while and dripping. I don't want to wait too long, so we'll just do it now, and then we'll go in for a close-up. This is Gold Rush. It's a .015 fine cut from Bulk Glitters. And I am just going to not even try to do patterns or anything. I'm just gonna sprinkle. Like fairy dust. Okay, cool. Okay, here's our bottom step. In the front of it, I'm out in the sun. I can't see a thing with the glare. Hopefully you can see something. There's the back of the front step. Middle step, front. Back. And the top step, front. back. There you have it, folks. Such as it is. What a project, huh? Okay, stay safe, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.